So we got another gorgeous day. You know, I think the weather is fully smartened up now, at least. I kind of get to enjoy now the backyard. Especially in the mornings when it's quiet in the mornings and there's birds. My wife has water things in the back where she collects water, and the birds come in and take their little drink and fly away. These are the little things in life that you can appreciate. Apologize for the negative Nelly video I did on the last video, but I am damn tired of the Xeon, and you know, the experiences here are rough. You already know my situation. You know, I'm here plugging away at this delivery job, which really sucks because it doesn't pay a whole hell of a lot, and I got to work 7 days a week. But I'm looking for work and etc. But I must have put in like 400 applications since the new year, at least that, and I'm getting rejections from like a month ago of jobs that I applied for. I don't even remember that I applied, and it's like, it's so funny because it's got to be AI generated, because the rejections sound pretty much the same on all of it. Every you know, they might change a couple of words, but yeah, sorry that but we're gonna move on to other candidates and da-da-da-da-day, whatever the flip they say. But anyway, I'm back out today waiting for my shift to start. I will mention this again because it's there, and I have it there on all my videos. I do have a PayPal link. If you'd like to help, the help is so greatly appreciated, especially in my situation. It's there. It's no obligation whatsoever to give, but it's there if you want to help. So just thought I'd mention it again. And if you'd like to help, it's sure appreciated. So, but I'm still kicking, and God is always providing and blessing in so many ways. The spiritual blessings that we have among the celestials coming are going to be so grand, we're going to just be overwhelmed with a burden of glory, grace, and peace.